Now that we know how important it is to create designs with movement in order to attract your audience's attention, I would like to spend this video showing you how to get started. How do you create these moving designs, these video designs directly from the Canva mobile app? So I'm here on the home screen. All right, and I'm going to show you what sorts of templates to search for, what sorts of keywords to type in this search bar right here in order to surface a bunch of video templates. The first keyword you could use is, for example, TikTok. TikTok is this up-and-coming video platform. So if you type in TikTok videos, this is what you should be seeing, a bunch of video templates here in the vertical format, so in the 9:16 format. And you know that a template is a video template when you see this little video icon here in the corner. You see some don't have this icon and others do. So when they do have the icon, it means that some elements within this template are animated. So for example, if I tap on this one, it's going to open it in the editor, and you see there are animations going on here. So let me go back, and now I would like to tap on a template that doesn't have this little video icon to show you, for example, this one, that there is no animation going on. This is a still design, not animated. Very well. And a similar type of queries you could search for is Instagram Reel. So if you type on Instagram Reel videos, you'll have similar looking templates as the TikTok ones. And we have a bunch of them. You can really scroll way down. And again, same thing. Some are video animated, some don't contain any of the animations, but these work exactly the same way as the TikTok templates. Just tap on them and start using them. Another category of templates you might like for making your designs move is the animated social media. So if you type in animated social media, let me show you how they look like. So they use the square format, so they are good for Facebook, they are good for Instagram, most of the social media platforms that use a feed. And if I tap on one of the templates, of course, they will open in the editor. Just want to show you a couple of things here. For example, their resolution. So by tapping on these three little dots, I can see 800 by 800 pixels. So this is indeed the square format. And I encourage you to really browse this category of animated social media templates. We have a bunch of them and they're great for social media. Now, if we go back home, a couple of more things I want to show you in terms of template. You can search for YouTube. Just type in YouTube and you will find a series of different things here. If you type, for example, YouTube videos, you will see a bunch of video templates right here. So you have your YouTube intros, you have your YouTube end screens that are very useful for the end of your videos for encouraging people to watch the next videos. So yeah, these are also wonderful if you have a YouTube channel. And last but not least, you can also use some more generic keywords like videos, for example, if this is what you want to create. So if you type in videos, you'll have a mix of different things here, but just always look out for the little video icon, and that will give you an indication that this is an animated template. So this is how you can easily get started with design that move by using some of our video templates. Pro tip, any template can be a video template. Just open any template and add animated stickers or videos into it, and that will make it a video template.